Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you would like to make custom frames out of literally anything you can imagine, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in Canva. Ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go on the left hand side, we're in Canva, we've got a new design here, and we're going to go all the way down here and we're going to look for apps, right? And under apps, you're going to go into the search bar and you're going to go and look for Frame Spark. All right, and this is the app that you will see. Now, I've already installed it, and once you have, you'll see, if you just scroll all the way down here, you will see the app all the way added at the bottom. So here it is, and what we need to do is then just click on it, and it'll open up the interface. Now, it's actually very, very simple. What we need to do here on our canvas is we need to actually grab an image or a transparent PNG so that we can turn it into a frame. So let's go back up to the top here. Let's dial in elements and let's look for an element. So I've dialed in coffee beans and I'm going to just go ahead and say see all in graphics. And from here, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on this one over here. Once it's in here, I can just resize it. And then we're going to use the background remover, which is a premium feature, but you'll see it'll start removing the background. And once you've done that, let's go back down to our app, FrameSpark. Let's open that up. And we are going to just click away and click on this. It'll select this image, and here you can change the edge selection. So this is just allowing you to adjust how the edges are detected. So higher values will result in sharper edges, so we can actually just put that up. Let's say we're going to put it on 120. So what will happen now is you are going to click on convert to frame, and this ultimately will be converted into a frame. This has now been converted into a frame. However, I must say that you do need to give it some time to load because it hasn't yet fully loaded the frame.